So I wanted to record a quick video to show you some of the features of the makeup work since we will not be in class on Wednesday. If you go to our Moodle site and click in the Unit 4 block, I'll go back so you can see where that is. So here is the green screen notes from the beginning of class on Monday, and then here's a link for your makeup work. I will be collecting it on Wednesday, November 16th, and this assignment will be worth 20 points. You'll see it's labeled as a lab, but it shouldn't take you like a 3-hour block to complete this. But I think it'll be a worthwhile assignment as we discuss climate change in Chapter 15. So you will click on the SAS Curriculum Pathways link here, and this will open a site that you will have to log in. But the easiest way to log in will be to go to the quick launch box here in the upper right hand corner and type in 952, and then that will take you to the actual assignment. So what you will log in with is our college-wide username that is located 5 questions, all one word. No password is required, so then you just click login. This animation will require Flash, I believe. So like with the natural selection online activity you did, if you did not install that then you may need to install that now, the Flash player, or use a campus computer somewhere. So the first thing you'll want to do is watch the video here. You can click on play there, and once you finish that, you can then come down here and click start. So this lab focuses on the carbon cycle and its impacts, what affects it, the outcomes. The first thing you'll see is this introduction block. Kind of gives you some information on the way this assignment will work. When you finish reading, you'll click X here in the corner, and then if you ever want to refer back to that information, notice that it resides right there in the yellow question mark. So there are 5 tabs at the top that you will progress through. You will be given space to type your answers in. So you'll have to scroll down as you read. You will manipulate the animation in the block here on the right hand side of the screen. So for this first one, notice it says in the simulation to the right, move the sliders to the right or left to increase or decrease the burning of fossil fuel and deforestation. So here's your slider, and then you'll take note of what that's doing to carbon in the atmosphere. And in the box, you want to type in your answers. So I'm just going to type carbon cycle. Notice I had to go in and delete the text that was there, the enter answer here. That does not just automatically disappear once you start typing. As you go through this, it will save your answers. It will save what you type in the blocks, as long as you keep your screen open. If you cancel out, you're not individually logged into this website, so it's not going to store your information. So I would strongly recommend completing this all in one sitting. When you finish all the questions under this tab, you will continue to tab 2. So you'll come up here and click Life and Atmosphere. And again, you'll have a set of questions to answer. And then if you want to go back, you could go back to carbon sources and see that your answer should remain. Yep, what I typed there is still there. And you can edit it at any time if you would like. Now, once you get to the end and you have completed all the questions within the 5 tabs, you will want to come here at the bottom, print, save, or email. And you'll get a box that looks like this. Please make sure you insert your name there. And then you can do your class name. You are Bio 110 in the 1. And then over here, you'll need to do 2 things. First, you'll want to save or email a copy of this assignment to yourself. So if you press print save, here it will download like a PDF version, and then you can save that PDF version of your work. You will then also need to either email it to me at seymourc@cravencc.edu. Again, seymourc@cravencc.edu. Make sure you spell my last name correctly. Or you can print this out and bring it in to submit. Warning, it will be about 7 pages printed if you choose to print it. But you can do either option. So again, you'll need to you'll need to save or email a copy of it to yourself, and then either print or email a copy of it to me. So if we do print save, show you what it looks like when it comes up. And so here you go. So you see it puts your name in, put your class name, the date, and then whatever answers you have recorded in those boxes. So I only typed something in that first one. So that's there. So let me know if you have any questions, and